at the different government level, we have already shared. But we're expecting some what kind of research work if you have done that in this regard, to what extent it is working for the students, then it will be more effective. Anyway, madam, thanks for your presentation. It's a very nice and informative presentation. So now, Dr. Vidya, you may call the next presenter.
Thank you,
Sure.
sir. Thank you very
And
much,
I
sir.
may request all the presenters, please restrict upon their time. So 8 minutes.
Thank you, Sharda. I'll call upon the next participant, K. Kumaravelu, Government Higher Secondary School, Kannivadi, Tamil Nadu. His title of the paper is Teaching of Complex Numbers Using GeoGebra Software in Schools. Kumaravelu, sir,
Yes,
you may
ma'am.
start.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Good afternoon to all. Thank you for giving this great opportunity to presenting a paper. Uh, shall I share my screen, ma'am?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. My screen is visible to you, ma'am?
No, sir, it isn't.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, now it is visible.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for giving this wonderful chance to presenting a paper in 10th National Conference on Mathematical Education. So I would like to present a paper, Teaching of Complex Numbers Using GeoGebra Softwares in Schools. What is my abstract of my paper? In this paper, we will discuss how to teach complex numbers using GeoGebra software in schools to reduce the difficulties of learning and visualizing the concept of complex numbers. The previous presenters, Sivakumar sir, Rajeshwari ma'am, and Sarada ma'am, they all spoke about the GeoGebra. So GeoGebra is a wonderful tool we are using to prove to in complex number. In particular, the nth roots of unity of complex number have been discussed in this paper. If the n varies from 1 to 5, then we can visualize the concept using GeoGebra. It becomes a point, line segment, triangle, quadrilateral, and pentagon shape respectively, and so on. And the focus on the problem is, suppose the n approach to the infinity, so become a unit circle. Otherwise, the nth roots of unity lie on the unit circle. This is a very basic important concept to using the general blackboard. The teachers and students are very struggling to learn mathematical concepts and geometrical views using the blackboard. But after using the technology tools like GeoGebra, we can easily visualize and interact through the tools like a slider tool and download as the animated GIFs. So what is the GeoGebra? Just to give the introduction, the GeoGebra is the open source free software that contributes to the geometry, algebra, spreadsheet, graphing, statistics, and calculus. It is a one easy to use the package. The GeoGebra has become the leading provider of dynamic mathematics software, which is suitable for STEM education and invention in teaching and learning worldwide. If you want to work with GeoGebra online and offline, if you want to work offline, the GeoGebra Classic 5 can be downloaded from the website. Users can also download the apps using the mobile phones, the Google Play Stores, or Apple iOS App Store on their mobile phones for easy to compatibility using in the classroom. If you want to search in the Google, you will get the interface look like it, GeoGebra interface. They including the lot of apps downloads, but particularly in this paper we are discussing and using GeoGebra Classic 5 only. What is the GeoGebra implication in this paper? The GeoGebra can include a practical contribution to mathematics education, which proves a reality that computer-based classroom activities can be effectively used in the teaching and learning environment. The teachers have to use nowadays. The teachers are ready to use the GeoGebra technology, and for the purpose of the effectiveness of teaching and learning process, which makes learning easy and helps to clear concept of different mathematical aspects as well as increase the creativity and achievement of the students. What is the role of GeoGebra in the nth root of unity? Before presenting this concept, generally I am using my high-tech lab teaching the complex number. Just algebraic operation on complex numbers, the students felt very happy to use very easily and add and subtraction, multiplication, division. But go to the next level of geometrical concepts, the students are very struggling because the general blackboard cannot be shown the geometrical views. So the students and teachers also struggling to visualize the concept, but GeoGebra give the wonderful help to the students can able to understand very easily and visually and physically. In graphics view of GeoGebra, there are GeoGebra including algebra view and graphics view. Particularly talk about graphics view of GeoGebra. The nth roots of unity created using the tools such as a point, line tools, polygon tools, circular arc, measurement tools, special object tools, and animation tools. And some using the commands and nth roots of unity are listed in the graphics view. Later, I will show the GeoGebra applet. And the visualizing the nth roots of unity are controlled by using the input box and slider tools. Using the input box by entering the values for n, we will get the nth roots of unity which lie on the unit circle. This is the algebra view. If you go to the GeoGebra, we first all the commands are sped from the algebra view, and this is a graphics view. And I'm just showing the slides first of all, and then go to the applets. This is the nth roots of unity. They enter the angle 0 degrees fixed, and the radius is common. This is mandatory fixed. And suppose enter the values of roots of values of 1, you get the 1 point only. Suppose 2, this become a line segment, the 2 points on the circle. And enter the value of 3, you will get the triangle. And enter the value of 4, become a quadrilateral. And enter the value of 5, become a 5-sided polygon, that is the pentagon. And suppose 6, and is a hexagon, and so on. Suppose the n varies from 100, you see the nth roots of unity so lying on the unit circle. Now we go to the GeoGebra applet. So this is the GeoGebra applet we are created. This is the GeoGebra software, and being the first one is the algebra view. All the inputs are given here. The inputs are make here graphics view. This is the graphics view, and we only talk about the graphics view and demonstrate using the nth roots of unity in front of the students. Suppose I'm choosing this is the input box, and this enter angle is fixed, I'm 0, and this is a slider up to n to some 250 we are fixed, and the angle is also differentiate 0 to 360 degree and is a unit circle. And I would like to demonstrate they enter the roots. Suppose 1 become a is a point on the circle. Suppose enter the value here 2 become a line segment. Suppose enter the value 3, you can able to see is a triangle, the 3 points on the circle. And enter the value of 4, become a quadrilateral, you see the 4 points on the unit circle. Suppose go to the enter the value of 5, it become a isolated polygon is a pentagon. Suppose go to number 6, enter the roots of 6, you see the hexagon. So after the seeing this applet, the students can able to understand what is the nth roots of unity lies on the unit circle, and where n varies from 1 to some values. Suppose I fix the values here 10, you can able to see there are many points lying on a unit circle. Suppose 100, what will be happen? Suppose 100, the nth root of unity is lines on the unit circle. Here, what purpose we are using the slider tool? The slider tool help to students can able to visualize the nth roots of unity. Now we see I will be making more. Okay, now see the one by one. I just using the slider tool. You can able to see the point nth roots of unity 1 to 250. Let's see that. So this is a very difficult task to prove to using the blackboard in front of the students. But this kind of the GeoGebra applets can able to easy to visualize the concept and the easiest way. Okay, thank you. Next. What is the conclusion of my
Thank you,
paper?
Kumar Velu.
Sorry for sir, I just completed just 1 minute. What is my in this work? The entries of unity of complex number have been well demonstrated and visualized their geometrical structure. Finally, we conclude that the technology tools like a GeoGebra are very useful to realize and visualize the concept much more practical. These are my reference books, and particularly the reference books are very helpful to Regional Institute of Education, Mysore GeoGebra Handbook for Senior Secondary School. This is very helpful, and SCRT. And one more information I want to share: our Tamil Nadu government using the QR codes in the plus two textbooks, and they're very helpful. Most of the QR codes, depending on the GeoGebra, particularly talk about the mathematics. And finally, I sincerely thank to RE NCRT Mysore and my respected colleagues, Dr. B.J. Murali sir and N. Kalipan sir and family and friends. And thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kumar Velu.
Thank you, sir.
Dr. Vidya, you may call next participant.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you, Kumara Vairul, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Our next participant